Hello, Global Business Study Tour students. I have a couple of new tools I want to show you. First, I have set up a team page for us if we want to share photos. And to access that, you go into your HU email and then click on the apps icon and teams. And I set up a team for MB503 Global Business Students Fall. I already have a folder set up for photos. You can also use this for other documents, for your project groups. You can set up new folders. All of you have access to this. The other thing I wanted to tell you about, I had a demonstration today of another database that may be very helpful for our projects. So if you go into the library webpage and then into research guides and then business research, databases. Nexus Uni is another database, and today Anita Gray gave me a quick demo and showed me all the information she pulled up for our project company. So I'll just show you, I'm doing a search of AJE group, and I put it in parentheses, in quotation marks, so that it will only search for that word combination. And when I click enter, it will bring up several different articles. In fact, there are 752 articles, so I'll probably want to narrow that down, and one of the ways that I can narrow that is by time. So let's just get more recent information here. It's 2015. Let's even go a little bit further, 2016, and that narrows it down to 410. And I just kind of reviewed a few of them, and there seemed to be some good information here. And of course, you can search other ways beyond AJE group. You can put other search parameters in there, but just another tool I wanted to make you aware of before our trip. Last but not least, please don't leave home without it.